For the inseam pocket, cut 2 pieces of pocketing, cut 2 pieces of the garment, cut 2 facing pieces. Eventually, they will be cut on different lines here and here, but for my sanity, I cut them double and then cut away what I don't need later. So you'll need 2 pieces of stay tape or hug snug. Serge the pocket bag facings, one on the skinny line, one on the fat line. In the end, you'll put the skinny side towards the outside of the garment and the fat side next to the body. This is backwards from how we usually grade things because as the person's hand is going in, you're more likely to see more of the underlap than the overlap. Lay the stay tape down so that just a little bit of the edge covers the stitching line, and then stitch it in place in the seam allowance. You want the tape to go from beyond the notch of the opening to beyond the notch of the opening on the other side. Stitch the face of the pocket to the face of the garment in between the notches only. Clip, trim, press. When you press, you're going to cheat the stitching line just to the inside. So it will look like this. And then understitch all the seam allowance down to the pocket, just inside the stitching line. So now you have 2 pieces with one little bit of the side seam of your garment finished and raw edges at the top and bottom. And those raw edges have the face of the garment, the pocket bag, and the pocket bag facing attached. Put the garment face to face. Above the pocket, you can stitch all of those layers together. Below the pocket, move the pocket bag pieces aside and stitch only the garment to the garment. Lay the garment out flat. Lay both of the pocket pieces to the side that has the narrow facing. This will be the front of the garment. This will be the back of the garment. Now you can stitch the pocket pieces together around this curve all the way up to that point, and then flatline the top of the pocket to the front of the garment.